Hi, friend. I congratulate you for landing on this page. This is perhaps the most beneficial and life-changing opportunity you're gonna come across on the internet this year. You love copy and paste, right? Come on, who doesn't? What if I told you that you could start earning up to 1 million naira per month by simply copying and pasting text for people online? Sounds crazy, huh? Alright, I'm gonna show you how much I've made by doing just this. That is by copying and pasting text for people online. So I'm logged in right now to my account. This is my dashboard, and I'm gonna go straight to my earnings. Okay, there you have it, and I've withdrawn all this with the ATM card shown below. So I'm gonna pass the mic over to Mike right now so that he can explain more.
Hey there! I want you to take a moment to answer the following questions. Are you looking for ways to supplement your full-time income? Are you sick and tired of odd jobs that don't pay well and don't really last? Plus, you sure can do away with the humdrum routine? If your answer is yes, you're in for an absolute treat, because in just a few minutes from now, I'm going to show you how to make $50 to $200 a day, doing what you already know and probably do best, working part-time or full-time, however you choose. There's an amazing marketplace online right now where people are searching around, and get this, they are literally just waiting to pay you. That's right, and high chances are there's something you can do for them and get paid to do it. This is how ordinary folks like you and me make a nice daily income, doing it from home in their spare time. You don't have to hunt desperately for clients because there's already a steady stream of hungry buyers, all in one place. That marketplace I'm talking about is Fiverr. And I'm going to show you how to line in a nice extra side income being a Fiverr specialist. Heck, if you want to, you can even turn it into a full-time business. You don't need employees, you don't need high capital, in fact, not much, if any, at all. Fiverr is the platform that connects freelancers, like you, and customers who want you for the task, from all over the world. My blueprint reveals things like getting started on Fiverr as a freelancer, how to get a steady stream of clients to your gig, how to achieve 5-star ratings, and ultimately make daily income with it. If you're sick and fed up of not making money or waiting for your business to mature, this is what you've been waiting for. With this, you can start generating cash flow and get paid daily from Fiverr. My training course contains the most sought-after methods to building a solid income stream from one of the world's fastest-growing marketplaces. And you know, cash flow trumps everything else. Click on the button below to secure your instant access.